I am alright.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jessie. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I will be trimming and cutting my own hair. Yes, you heard right. I actually used to trim my own hair when I was really young, and I just loved doing it because I was so spontaneous. I'd wake up one day and be like, okay, I need a haircut and it's midnight right now, I'm gonna cut it right now. But I haven't actually touched my hair for a very long time. But because of quarantine, I decided I'm gonna go back and actually retry to cut my own hair and see how it turns out, because I had so much split ends and I just couldn't handle it anymore. This is the result of my trimmed haircut because I forgot to record the introduction prior to cutting it, but you can see how it's turned out. Split it into 6 sections. We've got 2 of the front sections, and then we split it down the middle because we want it to be even when we cut. Once the front section is done, you've got your back section, which I've pretty much separated bottom half and then top half. So the section that's framing my face, I'd probably just leave it for now. And we'll start with the 2 back bottom sections. And you want to be pulling it down really tight so that no hair becomes loose. And see how it's slanted? It goes down like that. So when I cut it, I want to be cutting it a bit slanted as well. Once I do that, I'm just going to get my scissors and cut upwards so that the lines are not so harsh. Just going to do the other side. Exact same technique. I want to make sure they're the same length. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, pretty happy with that. Now take down the next section. So with the top section, I'm going to be splitting it into halves again. Take that to the front. And you're going to be using the previous section we just cut as a base for where you're going to cut in the length. Same sort of thing, cut upwards so that it's not so blunt. Tidy up the ends of anything where you think it's slightly long still. That's it. Same thing with the other side. That looks pretty good to me. Third section. So I just grabbed a bit from the previous cut. Now I kind of just twist it because that helps me cut away some split ends. I don't know if you guys can see, but the bits that are sticking out, we're just gonna slowly cut through. And now we do the front sections. to make sure that it's even. Just chopping off some split ends while I'm at it. That is pretty much done. So all I did was did a little trim on myself. It feels so much smoother already, so I'm quite happy with. This is the result. I'm super happy with it. It feels so much smoother and so much softer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.